Okay, doctor. Look at this big, huge pack. It's making so many women very, very happy. So, how about you tell us what's different and what's new in the new Whisper Ultra Clean?
I think, first of all, I'd like to say, Mandira, it's a pleasure to be on stage with you. And Pariniti, you're looking so fit and gorgeous.
Wow, you are looking
This is like the
wow.
new ultra girl of today. You know,
Thank you.
you know, you were talking about all the taboos, the period taboos that were there. And I think these are not applicable today. You know, they're only driven by society. I think a couple of decades ago, maybe they were correct. But today, I don't think
Even
Mandira.
then, they were not correct. Maybe they had some logic at that point. Now that logic doesn't hold.
Absolutely. I think today's girl really needs to be unstoppable. And we have these beautiful solutions which have been given by the sanitary napkin. And I think Whisper really has been working a lot on it, put in a lot of time, effort to give us this new sanitary napkin, which is 5 times better. It makes the girls own those 5 days and unstoppable.
Hashtag own those 5 days. I love that.
Can I have the... Yeah, I'll just do the presentation. You know, we are talking about this Whisper Ultra Pad, and I think we need to understand why it is 5 times better. Can you activate this remote, please, for me?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so it's 5 times better. And what I'm here is to explain the technical things which actually result in this better protection. So what has changed? There are these 5 aspects which are really, really important. Pariniti, look at this. This is, you know, longer lasting absorption, better dryness, faster absorption, and even better comfort by softer top sheet. I think these are very relevant problems which girls face, and a better scent. And if you look at it, the way it's, you know, manufactured.
That's a pretty cool design as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think
Do
we
like
can
it.
actually go here and you can have a look at this pad, you know. It's beautifully designed, and actually the whole design makes sense. You know, it has 100 suction openings, holes that we call,
yeah.
and that really brings about a lot of difference, you know. This 1,000 suction holes actually absorbs the wetness. It really makes it dry, and also it can absorb a lot. So with this top new sheet, it can be absolutely dry, faster absorption. And this magic gel crystals, I think this is something really fantastic. When you see the demo, you'll really realize that, you know, it just soaks in so much. I think that is been the change, because it soaks in, makes it absolutely dry. They don't feel wetness at all.
Now there's so much technology that goes into things like this. There's
Absolutely.
technology, there's a serious amount of
And
technology.
you know, sometimes girls I've seen have a huge flow suddenly, you know, gush of flow. And this is probably the one thing that prevents any spillage and gives it the beautiful dryness. Another problem that we always had was when we had our periods, we were worried about the odor. And I think this odor lock which is there really takes care of that odor and also gives you better scent. The top sheet has a better scent. And extra long. I think the length is really, really important, because there are a lot of times when you can't change, and that length actually gives you better absorption because it's wider and does not allow any spillage also. Better comfort, definitely, because the top layer is made very good. There's no itchiness, you know, there's absolutely no allergies. The allergies are lesser. I think this is really, really important from the girls.
Technology works. So can we move to the demo zone and you can actually tell us what the technology is that makes it so much more absorbent?
Absolutely.
And so much more effective. In fact, 5 times more effective than an ordinary sanitary pad.
You know, this is the AGM or the magic gel. I call it the magic gel. So what I'm going to do is just put in the amount of gel that is there in a normal pad. So we put in 2 spoons of gel. The blue blood, the royal blood, okay? And this is what a normal woman, you know, menstruating normally would produce. So what we do is, I'm gonna pour it into this gel. And what will happen is, while we are chatting, and this gel will completely absorb it. It's like totally like a magic gel. So if you see, actually, I think it's less than what it should be. So the wall, actually, it is more. You can see that it doesn't rip at all. And this, yeah, and this, yeah, totally. That's why it's called the magic gel. And this is the amount of fluid which a woman will have if she has heavy periods. So I'm going to actually add even this fluid to this gel. There are a lot of girls who have heavy periods, heavy flow. And so then they get traumatized that how do we take care of this? There should be no staining. And I think this is the answer to it. If you see, yes.
Magic. That's a magic trick you just did for us, and that's because of that.
The magic gel,
Magic
AGM,
gel.
it's known as. So I think, that's why we wanted to demonstrate, absolutely. And actually, when I was looking, I had actually poured in half a bottle of nearly 250 ml into it, and it was amazing. So this gel actually increases the absorbency and allows you to be absolutely free.
I want to do that.
Unstoppable. Yeah, don't get scared.
Oh, it's a bit scary. You think something's going to come out, but it's all soaked in.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is the amount. This is the amount of the magic gel that's in each.
In each pad.
In each pad.
Absolutely.
So other pads don't have this magic gel. Is that what you're saying, or they have lesser quantities of it, or how?
Technically, I know our pad has this,
Okay.
and it's good.
Okay, so this is the technology that keeps the pad dry, that keeps it absorbent, and gives 5 times better protection than any ordinary pad. I want to give a round of applause for this great gel.
I think so.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Nandita. It is indeed like a magic trick. Now, it's time now to see the new Whisper Ultra TVC. We've got 2 commercials for you, so take a look.